It's the next round of the MG Car Club Speed Series, and this week we're at Curborough. Second event on the calendar then, early April, so still got damp conditions to kick us off, but the forecast has changed during the week. It was due to rain, but now it might be dry, so hopefully posting some fast times. Chasing a target time of around 40 seconds today. That should get me in the points. Looking around Curborough then, it looks like there's been some tarmacking, so some new tarmac to contend with, but it's the same course. We're doing the single lap, so round the outside, through the mini hairpin here, up to the top, round and back down the straight for a fast finish. All being well, heading down here and hitting around 70 miles an hour across that finish line. It's the usual story then, scrutineering, and we've got practice laps kicking off at 9 o'clock. I'm expecting 2 practice laps and 2 timed laps on this event. So again, I'm going to spare you the practice. I don't think it'll be that quick today as we're damp early doors, but as it dries out later on, let's get to the action and the timed laps. Won the MG Car Club Northern Series Championship in 2022. good news from Curborough. The sun has come out. The track has got faster and the times are tumbling down really well. So currently 40.7 on first lap, and then 39.8 on the second time lap. Really pleased with that, well under the target time. One more time lap to go, so let's see if we can finish the day on a real high.
I'm waiting for other people.
And he does a time of 40.27.
Trying way too hard on that last lap, but good fun, good time set on the second time lap, so I'm really pleased with the day. All done then here at Curborough. Luckily the sun came out and we had a dry track at the end of the day, making for some great times. So on to the next one at Anglesey. Thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing. See you on the next video.